1/4" socket, small spring, 1/2 inch deep socket. Drop the spring in, socket in, put on your ratchet. The outer shell depresses the valve spring. The inner shell pushes the keepers back in. Put it right on top. Center it. Press straight down. Take it away. Keepers are holding the stem. Everything's in there. I know it's a little redneck, but that's the way I like it. Just did 16 valves like that. Work like a charm. You don't have to buy that fancy ass hammer tool. If it's worth something to you, use it, or you can just laugh. I don't really worry about it. It works for me.